So how to dispose a complete solar system after like 25 years of operations? The first one is all of the cables. You can be using by selling all of these cables to the other companies. And the inverters is also very easy to sell, right? Because it's metal and silicon. And the last piece of the puzzle is here, is a solar panel. So the solar panel consists of the aluminum frame. The aluminum frame you can take out and you sell after like 25 years. It becomes the price of the silver today because it's basically a commodity. The second thing is protective glass. So it is a high strengthened glass. It is similar to very expensive glass also. So you can remove that glass and resell it for the third party. And the last piece is, you see each cells in here, it is made by either polysilicon or monosilicon. So for that one, there's a company on the market buying at the price of $100 per ton, which is very small price, but they can redo and reuse and recycle for the next times of generations. So 100% of the system is usable, and that is the reason why in the leasing model on the market, after 25 years of contract, we come and take the control of the whole system. So we pay for installation to decommission and we sell the system back to the third party, still got some money.
The first sentence you mentioned is the solar power is good for environment. So we understand that for PV, there's a lifespan. So after the useful life, is there any special way to dispose of the PV?
Thank you. That's a great question. Okay, so how to dispose the panel? Let me go back to the system. Okay. So you see, this is how one solar system is formed, right? So how to dispose a complete solar system after like 25 years of operations? The first one is all of the cables you can be using by selling all of these cables to the other companies. And the inverters is also very easy to sell, right? Because it's metal and silicon. And the last piece of the puzzle is here, is the solar panel. So the solar panel consists of the aluminum frame. The aluminum frame you can take out and you sell after like 25 years. It becomes the price of the silver today because it's basically a commodity. The second thing is protective glass. So it is a high strengthened glass. It is similar to very expensive glass also. So you can remove that glass and resell it for the third party. One is from quick shaving, right? So you charge low cost, you discharge high cost. So the gap you can expect by buying about purely only of that is about 18 years.
But you're saying that the battery guarantee is 10 years and your payback is 18 years, so it doesn't make commercial sense.
That's correct statement. So Mr. Can asks, we guarantee only 10 years and the payback is 18 years. So why we do that? So the statement is because for the special applications such as you are in a healthcare, Mr. Can is in the hospital and the doctor is coming with the surgery and suddenly the light is gone. And that can be done by the UPS normal scale. What if it is a huge hospital, right? Or what if it is a very important machinery process? very important factory that you 1 hour downtime can cost you $1 million. So it is viable when you have an important process and the need for stable power is premium. So this investment comes into place.
Even though this is the 5th sessions, but I believe there will be more sessions coming. And just now when I was talking to some of you all, and I even mentioned that perhaps for the next technical sessions, we are thinking topics like data center, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 data center, how to design a data center, what is a data center, and also we are also talking about maybe lighting. Eugene has been asking me, he want to speak, he want to deliver a topic on lighting design and things like that. So they actually queue, people queuing to come out to the stage to share their experience.